Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix the Windows update problem in Windows 11. So for this you have to go to the start button and search for services. And once you click on the services, you have to find out the Windows update option from this list. And if you cannot find the Windows update option from this list, then you have to do the steps that I am going to show you now. So for this you have to go to the again start button and click and search for troubleshoot. And once you are here you will get the troubleshoot settings option. You need to click on it, and once you are here, then you have to click on the other troubleshooters. And once you in this page, then you have to run this Windows update option from here. And these steps will most likely to fix the Windows update problem. But if it don't get fixed, then you have to go to the Chrome and search for the Windows update Windows service Windows update service download from your web page, and then click on the install Windows update by Microsoft support. Once you are here, you have to download the required files from check for Windows update. After that, again you have to search for the services option and then click on the services. Once you are here, you need to find out the Windows update option from this list. Let me find it out from in my computer. So we are finding it out, Windows update, and here it is, the Windows update option. And once you click on here, you have to choose the option of automatic in startup type, and then click on apply, then OK. Then it will most likely to get fixed, and it will fix the Windows update problem of your computer. Thank you very much for watching this video.